Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix nvldumd.dll bad image error on Windows 11 or 10. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to open up CMD or command prompt open up as administrator. Once you open up, then you need to copy this command in this video description below. Just copy the command. Then what you need to do here is to press on the right click on the header and then press here edit and then paste here, hit enter. And then once it's done, what you need to do next is to just close this, then go to installed apps, and then you just need to write Microsoft Visual. And then you just need to select from 2015 to 2022. For me, there is the files. And then you just need to hit modify. And then you need to press repair. And do with these two files. So first one, we need to wait for a couple of seconds here until it loads up. And then you need to do with the second one, modify. And then hit repair. Already did this. So, and after that, you just need to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it.